Hello and welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your general group readings for all the air sign people, that is Libra, Gemini and Aquarius. This is going to be your money, career, finance situation for the next 3 months, that is starting from January to March 2025. So let us start with Libra. This is going to be a group general reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And yes, your yearly readings are already uploaded on the channel. Please do like, subscribe the channel if you really like what I do. And yes, if you really wish to connect with me for a personal private read, you may connect with me on the email ID mentioned in the description box below. Over to the reading straight for my lovely Libra people out there. Let us see what are your energies for the next 3 months. The cards are already there in front of me. I have already shuffled and pulled out the cards, but I have not seen the cards so far. So Libra, this is going to be your situation for money, career, finances for the next 3 months, that is January to March, and this is going to be a quick general reading for money, career. Let us see your energies. You do have an attachment and you also have a card of envy. The first 3 months you need to work out something on your attachment. That means there is something you are too attached into your finances, into your money matter, or a specific kind of career or a profession or line of work which is not giving you that kind of return you are expecting, or it is not giving you that kind of exposure or the fly which you want to have from your professional life. It says that in order to move up, in order to move forward, you need to work out around this particular attachment. You need to sort out things in yourself. You need to see that, okay, this part of my profession is working, I'll keep that, I'll retain that, and this particular piece I'll modify, I'll change, or I will replace it. That kind of work is expected, out of these cards, and then it is going to give you a good fly. It is going to give you better kind of opportunities coming your way, because you have to make the space for something new which has to enter into your life. Now you also have a card of feeling of envy. So yes, there is little jealousy, animism around. This means sharing your plans, sharing your strategy, especially sharing your achievements, your joy, your happiness into the professional circle, or you feel that there are well wishers, that is not going to support you in the next 3 months. So be very precise with your achievements. Be very aloof in the society in terms of what you have achieved so far, or what kind of money you are handling, what kind of financial stability you are having. Just see that what is relevant, you are sharing only that information in the social circle or in your professional circle out there. But overall, this particular 3 months is for you to do your self introspection, and you need to work on your focus primarily, and you need to filter things which from past so many months, so many years, are not serving you for your growth. Now let us see one specific oracle message card for you, and the card has the meaning of strength, and it says strength and grace through kindness, self-confidence and forgiveness. And this is something you need to let go. So if you see, you have to let go that line of work, that professional engagement, that professional association, or maybe memories related to those aspects which are no longer available in person, in physical, into your life. For example, you have left a job, you have left a business, still you are getting pulled towards your past, and you're not able to give 100% energy to the new you want to create, or you're still in the zone of the past, past not so pleasant experience with any particular engagement that is still impacting your present and future. So yes, with lot of strength you need to let go. If you felt that, oh, justice did not happen, something went very bad with me, it did not went very nicely with me, you have to let it go and you have to forgive. That is something you need to do really, really on priority in the coming next 3 months. Now let us see how your money and finances are going to be. So you do have a card of temperance, and you also have a card of strength. Oh my goodness, Libra, the strength coming into your reading again. And these are two major arcana cards, and two major arcana cards are, you have to be very careful while you are moving into your money, career and finances. Look at the card of temperance, which says each and every step needs to be with great consciousness, great care, great crucial sensitive steps, and you can't run, you can't rush, you can't be impulsive, you can't be aggressive. It is a very, very important period for you, Libra. The next 3 months, January, February, March, are very important months for you to retain your peace, retain your calm, retain your courage and strength, and not react into any other circumstances for that matter. It's a really tough reading, and you know I always love to be very honest with my lovely people out there, but I would still like to see some clarifying cards for you, Libra, because of the cards which we have witnessed right now. You do have 3 of Pentacles, and the clarifying card, you do have 9 of Cups. So yes, after little tough period, after little struggling period, when you will go back, join some organization, you will talk to, you know, new groups, new professional area, you will be working very nicely with them. And it also says that if you're working alone since very long, and if you've tried your hand, it's not working out for you, then working with people, working for companies, working for other organization will bring better opportunities, better money. And 9 of Cup is a card of wish fulfillment. Though these 3 months seems to be little tough, little struggling, Libra, but at the end of the day, you will not regret the journey. You will not regret that, okay, something which was not working, you have crossed that passage, you have crossed that transformation period, and now you're moving into another set of working. Now, when you talk about specific money, career, and finances, finances needs to be handled very carefully. Do not spend more money on your investments or on luxury or comfort. Use your savings till the point when it is necessary for you to use the money for some important purpose. So just use money in hand. The financial flow is not going to be that great, but it is going to be stable, that all your needs will get fulfilled. And yes, by the end of the month, finally, when you will cross the March period, the stars for Libra is already changing during that time. You will move into a different zone altogether. You will see there is opening up into new kind of network, and from there you are moving ahead into your career. So overall, it's a pretty clear reading, and you may take the notes accordingly. And yes, when I'm talking about your next 3 months reading, Libra, there are still few life lessons which are pending for for you to learn from your past experience. The moment you are working on yourself, that okay, I have done my healing, I have done my learning, this much I have learned, now I'm ready for the new cycle. When you have completely, you yourself feel that now I'm out of the zone of past and I'm completely ready for present and future, then the real change will start from there. So just try to shift your energy from past to present and future. I wish you all the very best, Libra, for your money, career, finances for the next 3 months, and I will see you next time very soon. Let us now see the cards for my lovely Gemini people out there. Gemini, in your energies, you do have Angel of Balance, and you do have Door to Personal Healing and Happiness. Now by now, I'm very, very sure that next 3 months is going to be the month of balance for all air signs, the month of healing for all 3 signs. The new opportunities coming your way still give you a lot of hope, but then it is all about your personal healing and recovery. Trust me, you guys are still in the past happening, and I understand that being human, it takes little time, but then it is also the high time. Any important decision, Gemini, any important concern needs to be handled with lot of balance. And when I say Angel of Balance, you can't think emotionally, you can't think only practically, rationally, and logically. Consider yourself into your self-care, your self-love, while you're thinking about your money, career, and finances, which means try to see what is comfortable for you, what is good for you to carry on in the next 3 months. And also, you have a door to healing and happiness. That means some lessons are going to give you enough kind of information, and the lessons are going to give you awareness about yourself. It is going to have the period is going to be of lot of information you're going to reveal for self and even for your surroundings as well. Let us see your oracle card. You do have 8 of Michael. And the card says you can be free and make a courageous choice to change your situation, not seeing things clearly. Yes, next 3 months for air signs, because I've done the reading for Libra just a while ago. And you know, one element always set the tone for the other elements as well, because after all, we are doing a particular sign, we are doing a particular element. So for the next 3 months, yes, things will move on its own pace, average pace, but the clarity, the needed vision, your own mission will be little concerned. So don't overthink, don't over assume, don't over plan, and don't over strategize in the next 3 months. Just see that what is giving you comfort and ease, and with what you are able to flow nicely, and do only those things in the next 3 months professionally. And even money wise, the card says don't be very aggressive in investments or giving away the money like that for loan purpose. Be wise with your money in hand. I mean to say, the investments, the saving, the usage of money, it has to be very careful. From the card of tarot, you do have Knight of Wands, and you also have Page of Pentacle. There is a high possibility, Gemini, that you might convert a idea which is there in your mind since very long, and it's your passion, it's your hobby, and you are thinking that, oh, I'm going to start my business very soon, maybe small, part-time. That you can definitely plan, that you can definitely think about, because Page of Pentacle is a very good indication that you are planning something since very long, and yes, it is the right time for you to take some needed action. And Gemini, even your cards are little better, because if you're waiting for something very important, please know another 11 to 12 weeks are going to be very prominent for your good movement. So though you need to have balance, though you need to have the holistic presence in every situation, but overall for you the situation will improve. With Page of Pentacle, you will also get new working opportunities which will help you to create your own potential, or to bring your potential into light, or maybe with your own existing skills, competencies, you get some job, you get some project which is worth exploring. And Knight of Wand is a specific card which is going to bring lot of needed movement into your work life, into your career, into your professional life. Overall, Gemini, it's a very good reading. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that do not discount your healing and happiness while you are picking up anything new. Any kind of compromise, any kind of adjustments, any kind of major modification, if it is not comfortable with you, and if you are not, it's not easy for you to take up, you really have to think about it. Don't do anything next 3 months majorly. Small modification compromises are okay at workplaces, but if you feel something after giving a holistic view, after balancing everything, doing everything nicely, if you still feel that, oh no, it's no for me, I am not comfortable in adopting this thing, you have to say no clearly. You have to be very clear, not with the external images, but you have to be very clear with your own thought process, with your own needs, in the sense what you truly want from your profession, your career, and what you truly want from your desires. That is very, very important for you. Gemini, I wish you all the very best for the next 3 months, especially for your money, career, and finances. And yes, your yearly readings are already uploaded on the channel. Go and shower some love. And yes, in case you want to have your personal read, you may connect with me for sure. It's time for my lovely Aquarius people out there. And Aquarius, in your energies, you do have a card of journey coming in. It's a travel, it's a movement, and this is going to be not just internal travel. This is going to be an external, work-related, professional travel, which is going to give you great success, unexpected success for sure. The moment I holded this card, trust me, any new experience, exposure coming your way, it is going to give you a different kind of outlook. It is going to give you a different kind of altogether a new understanding about yourself and the work you do. And journey is a very big plan of your divine plan. It's a very big plan of your soul journey. This is going to unleash your true inner passion into your career, and thereafter there will be no looking back for my lovely Aquarius people out there. From the other energy card, you have door to spirit, and that is what I was sensing from the journey card. The inner sense, the inner true healing, the inner true recovery, the inner true awareness, which you may call spiritual awakening, but I will say the spiritual awakening will also align your career to your life purpose, to your soul purpose. You will not work just because of your bread and butter or recruitments, or any kind of placements, or maybe any kind of specific kind of work, but you will actually work for your passion, for your own creativity, for your own potential. That kind of opportunity will come forward to you for sure. Aquarius, be ready. The opportunities which you are going to witness in 2025 is not going to be the traditional one. It is going to be extremely innovative, contemporary, which will be related to your passion, or which will boost your passion further, or which will push you to remember that this you wanted to do throughout your life, and now it's the time for you to recover all that. It's a wonderful insight into your money career. And the card you have from another oracle is 8 of Ariel, and it says take great pride into your excellent work. When you have this card, it is also the time for you to learn something new professionally, upgrade yourself technically, personally, for your own development, whether it is your professional side or your personality side. But yes, it is the time for you to learn ahead. So 3 months dedicated to learning as well, to take great pride into your excellent work. Practice is going to make things perfect for you. It says consider getting additional education or training. And I have read this card just now, but the moment I holded this card, yes, it is for you to expand your knowledge, your wisdom, and then it is going to help you a lot, a big way. This is also the card when it says that the upgradation in your career, in your knowledge, is also going to fetch better work to you. So be very open in order to see that how you're going to excel in the next 3 months. From the card of tarot, you also have a card of the beautiful Fool. That is a major arcana card, which is a new journey, a new beginning into your professional life. This also says that maybe you will try some profession which you feel that this you have never done before, but you need to trust your capabilities, because you are capable of doing that new work, new project, and that is why it has been offered to you by the divine. The only precaution you have to take in the next 3-month Aquarius is that you are not becoming too casual or overconfident with the newness coming into your life, and you do not ignore the advice of people who are more experienced than you, or who are you feel are your well wishers, or you feel they have better exposure than your exposure. Listening to them, hearing them out, understanding their perspective is going to help you in taking the new journey in a very new and a good way. And the Fool also says that you have all the things to perform in the new role which is coming your way. The only thing is, you may doubt that you are not capable, but you need to come out with great confidence, great courage, and the reality that you are very competent to adopt the new work, new career which is coming to your life. There is a very big professional change, because you also have a card of a journey. And the moment I picked up this card, I was very clear that this is going to be a very challenging opportunity, because there is a lot of new things to learn which you have never gone through before. So that is why it is going to be very challenging, but equally rewarding for all of my lovely Aquarius people out there. And in our other energy card, you have, oh my goodness, you have a very powerful tarot reading, Aquarius people. The Fool and the Lovers, that too into money career reading, says so many good options coming to you, so many beautiful opportunities. When you have Lover, every month you will have new and good opportunities, choices, options coming your way, which is going to help you a great deal ahead for sure. Aquarius, I do see and feel, out of all the air signs, you have one of the best tarot reading and energy oracle card reading for the next 3 months. That is from January to March, because it is also in between you have your birthday season. And yes, since your birthday is also very nearby in the month of February. So if you're going through that reading, and if you remember by that time on the day of your birthday, you may drop a message on the channel, and I would love to offer a angelic specific customized message to you on the group itself. And do pick it up what resonates with you as always. And yes, in case you wish to connect with me for your personal read, your yearly read, even though I have already uploaded the yearly readings on the channel, you may still connect with me on the email ID mentioned in the description box below. Please keep in mind all personal private readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted reading. So please connect with me with that understanding. I really appreciate that, and I wish you a very good happy new year 2025 to all my lovely air sign people out there. Be blessed.